Has someone ever judged you for liking K-pop? Has someone ever mocked you for being a fan of BTS? Is it bad if I really like BTS or still watch anime? Because I still get comments like, oh, you're still into anime? You're 24. Or like, so you like C-word boys. I mean, people, it's 2020. Like, what? I'm not someone who usually speaks up or talks back to someone who tells me something along the lines of whatever I just mentioned. I know I should and I'm working on it. I just simply cut them out of my life. But it really infuriates me. It angers me and it hurts me when someone I am close to says something to me like that. Even if they say it as a joke, I don't appreciate it. I don't understand why they make fun of me for liking anime. I mean, they never even saw an anime, so why do they judge me based on something they know nothing about? It makes no sense. Why judge? Are they too caught up in the societal norms? People inevitably think of animes as children's cartoons, but some animes are cinematic masterpieces, and there's no reason for poking fun at someone who enjoys something. Then comes the struggle of liking K-pop and K-drama. Who are those Chinese men you posted about? Are you going to marry a Korean? Do you even understand the language? When people, strangers, ask me what kind of music I listen to, I will not lie, I hesitate to tell them that I listen to K-pop, K-drama OST, that I listen to BTS's music. Because some of them go like, so you're into that, like it's some kind of a disease. I understand that there are many Delulu fans out there, and that doesn't help put a very nice face to the fandom, but those kind of people are in every fandom, don't you all agree? And it is not cool to make fun of people for liking something because you don't know their story. As for Bangtan, I don't know why, and it's almost funny that I even have to speak about this, but we BTS armies love them as people, not because of their nationality or that they're handsome, which they are, but because of the people that they are. And I get this a lot. It's for the camera. It's for popularity. It's just for the views. They're not genuine. They treat us like families, okay? Like, there's not even a single award show where they don't speak about ARMY or where they don't mention armies. Despite how far that they've come, their love for their fans still remain the same. You can see that in their eyes. There are millions of reasons to love them, you know. And when I was in school, first, second, third, fourth, fifth standard, this question would always pop up. Who are your inspiration? And almost everyone of us would either write our parents or our teachers' names or our elder brothers or sisters' name. But now I can proudly say that Bangtan have become my greatest inspiration. Their success story is really inspiring and it tears me up. They make me want to do better in life. They are my superheroes. They make me want to live. They give me a reason to live. They save me. And please don't come at me and say, oh, I tried listening to them, but they're just not my type. I mean, you do you. And I like them for various reasons. That doesn't mean that you have to like them as well. I appreciate that you tried, but you don't have to come and tell me that you didn't like them. You keep it to yourself. I just really wanted to express myself here, and I hope a little bit this helped, and I hope that I won't get a lot of those comments anymore. Yeah, that would be all. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.